Have you ever wanted to tell a friend in Japanese about your awesome weekend? Or maybe about that incredible ramen you ate last night? Well, to do that, you're going to need the past tense. In this explainer, we are going to unlock it for you, and honestly, you'll be shocked at how simple and consistent it is.
So let's get right to it. How do you talk about what you did yesterday in Japanese? This is the big question we're going to tackle. How do you shift from talking about right now to talking about what's already happened? Stick with me because in just a few minutes, you're going to have the exact tools you need.
And you know, here's the best part. Seriously, this is where the Japanese language is super kind to beginners. Forget about all those complex, irregular verbs you might have struggled with in other languages. Japanese gives us a simple, consistent rule for the past tense. Once you see the pattern, you can use it over and over again.
Okay, look at this. Everything we're about to cover, and I mean everything, boils down to these two endings. Think of them like light switches. Mashita flips the switch to the affirmative past. You're saying, I did it. And masen deshita flips it to the negative past. I did not do it. That's it. This is our entire foundation for today.
All right, let's dive in and start with the positive stuff. How to talk about something you did do. The key here is our new best friend, mashita. You just add it to the verb stem.
Let's see it in the wild. Chichi wa senshu Tokyo et ikimashita. Okay, so the verb to go is ikimasu. We take its stem, which is iki, and we just attach our past tense ending. Boom. It becomes ikimashita, went. It just clicks right into place.
Let's break down one more just to really see how this works. Mary-san wa kuji goro uchi ni kairimashita. Mary returned home around 9. So that last word, kairimashita, how did we build that?
And here's a little trick that makes things so much easier. A key feature of Japanese grammar is that the verb is always the very last word in the sentence, always. This makes it super easy to spot the action. So in our example, we know right away the action is kairimashita. And here's the breakdown. The stem of the verb to return is kaeri. We just snap on our mashita ending and we get kairimashita, returned. It's honestly like playing with Lego bricks. You take the stem, you add the ending, and you've got a whole new meaning. So you know how to say you did something, but what about when you didn't? Well, we're going to use the exact same principle, we just need a different Lego brick. To talk about what didn't happen, our new go-to ending is masen deshita.
Now take a look at this sentence. Watashi wa kino nihongo o benkyou shimasen deshita. You're going to see the exact same logic here. The verb stem for to study is benkyou shi, and we just attach our negative past ending, masen deshita, to say did not study. It's simple, it's predictable, it just works.
Okay, theory is great, but practice is where it really starts to stick. You've seen the patterns for did and did not. Now it's time to put it all together and build a couple of sentences yourself. All right, first up, the present tense for to watch is mimasu. So, based on what we've just learned, how would you say you watched TV yesterday?
Go ahead and pause here if you need to. Really think about it. Find the stem, add that affirmative past ending. You got this.
Did you get it? The correct sentence is kino terebi o mimashita. You take the verb stem mi and add our mashita ending. Fantastic work!
Awesome job. Now let's flip it. Let's try a negative one. The verb to eat is tabemasu. So how would you say your friend did not eat breakfast?
All right, think back to that negative ending. How does it connect to the verb stem? Take a second.
And the answer is, tomodachi wa asa gohan o tabemasen deshita. We take the verb stem tabe and we snap on our negative past ending, masen deshita. See that pattern? It works every single time. It's so reliable. Okay, let's boil all this down. If you remember just one thing from this whole explainer, what should it be?
It's really this simple. To say you did something, you add mashita. To say you did not do something, you add masen deshita. With just these two endings, a massive range of past experiences is now open for you to talk about in Japanese.
And there you have it. You are now officially equipped to talk about what you've done in Japanese. So the only question left is, what will you say you did? Go out there and give it a try.